Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so today I got yet another item in the mail, so let me get right to it. Let me set the camera down too. Okay. Alright, let's see what this can be. Wow, pretty cool, right? So, that's what that is. Alright. Wow. This is the final item of my upgrade or upgrading of my older PC, the 2007 Dell XPS 420. Alright. As I've mentioned in my previous videos that I am upgrading, borderline maxing out my older computer because I decided to keep it. Alright, so here it is, the Viewmax and NVIDIA GeForce GT730 4GB DDR3 128-bit video card. Alright. This was not the cheapest video card out there, but it was pretty worth it. Alright. Alright, so let's open this baby up. The installation CD, installation guide. Okay. And here's the baby itself. Nothing else in there. One second. Alright. I'm hoping it's gonna fit in my computer, or in my motherboard I should say, because this is PCI Express 2.0 and my Dell XPS 420 also is a PCI Express 2.0. Alright. Well, it's 2.0 times 16 is what my video card interface slot is. However, I'm hoping that this will still be supported, because I did some research. Apparently after doing research, the PCI Express 2.0 and 2.0 times 16 is the same thing apparently. But give me one more sec, guys. Alright, I had the tape stuck on me, that's why. Okay, here it is. Alright. One HDMI slot, one VGA slot, and one DVI slot, which is really all I need. Granted, this is a gaming computer, gaming video card, but I'm not going to be using it for gaming. I'm just going to be using it for maximum quality videos, which is up to 4K with HDMI. The technical resolution of that is 3840 by 2160. Alright, that's technically 4K because 4K is 2160 pixels, or to make it easy, 1080p times 2. So 1080 times 2, which is 1080 is full high definition, 4K is 2160p. So 1080 times 2 is 2160. So technically 4K is 2160 pixels. All right. So here you guys have it. Let me give you guys a glimpse of something pretty cool too. Actually, this is this was my latest item, my last item, I should say, for the upgrading. The upgrading of my older PC. Let me show all the items that I have that I purchased to upgrade my PC. All right. Alright, so here it is, guys. The upgrading items are complete. Video card, processor, or CPU, 8 GB of RAM because 8 GB is the maximum that my motherboard can support. Seagate Barracuda 2000 GB, aka 2 TB hard drive, 500 watt power supply, which is what this graphic card needs. It needs a minimum of 475 watts, by the way, of power supply to support this video card. So here you guys have it. Oh, and this is the paste, obviously. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Video card, power supply, internal hard drive, RAM, processor. And all this for under $400, by the way. Alright, so there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Thank you guys for checking us out. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy. And I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, that's all she wrote.